Hi kids, welcome to Kids World. Today I have a story for you with me. Can we go into the story now? Once there is a hen who has 4 kids. One day those kids feel hungry and want to have some millets. They tell their mom to go in search of millets and get them the same. Their mom also goes out to get the millets for her kids. Unfortunately, she never finds any millets anywhere around there. Feeling sad, she is returning home. At least if she finds something for food, she will be happy. Not even a single small worm also she can find on the day. Hen becomes tired of searching for the prey for her kids. She is very much worried about her kids' hunger. At a stage, she takes rest under an apple tree. When the wind blows, an apple falls down from the tree. At once, the hen takes away the apple for food. She thinks that her kids cannot bite and chew this apple as the beak is small and soft. But the hen has no other go. So she takes away the apple for her kids. On the way home, she meets a monkey with a pancake in his hands. Immediately, on seeing that pancake, the hen's fifth sense thinks of taking it for her kids because she thinks this pancake is better than an apple to bite and chew for her kids. So she expresses her wish to the monkey. Monkey agrees with her and exchanges this pancake with the hen for the apple. So hen gives her apple to the monkey and takes the pancake with her. But still she has a confusion if her kids can bite the pancake too. Thinking that pancake is better than apple, she leaves that place. Then on the way home, she meets a cat with a bowl of boiled rice in his hands. As soon as she looks at the boiled rice, she wants to have it for her kids as it is easy for the kids to masticate. So she convinces the cat for the boiled rice instead of this pancake. The cat is immediately convinced by the hen, and both of them exchange their pancake and boiled rice. Now, taking the bowl of boiled rice, the hen goes away with little bit satisfaction. The hen is not fully satisfied as she wants some millets for her kids, which is not to be seen anywhere. Then, on the way, she meets a dog with a glass of milk in his hands. She wants to take away the milk instead of this boiled rice as it is easy for their kids' consumption. They both exchanged their things. Now the hen is little more satisfied but not fully happy. When she is going on the way, she meets a parrot clasping a bunch of paddy in her beak. When the hen looks at the parrot with the paddy, she feels happy but not fully satisfied because she wants only millets for her kids, which is easy for their mastication. Both of them exchanged their products and leave the place. Now, her home is at a short distance from the place where she meets the crow. This crow, sitting in the mango tree, is about to have the millets which he has taken away from the crop field. On seeing the millets in his mouth, the hen feels very happy and shouts at the crow to throw down the millets for her kids. When the crow agrees with her, she exchanges paddy for the millets. At last, somehow she manages to fulfill her kids' wish. When she brings the millets and gives it to her kids, they become happy. On seeing their happiness, the hen too become happy. Children, the moral of the story is you have to try for everything. If you don't try, you would not get anything you wish. If you put full effort, definitely you will get whatever you want. So, without effort, nothing will happen. Children, if you like this story, tell your parents to subscribe it and share it. Next time, I'll come along with some other story. Thank you.